In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom footer quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful way to make your document look more professional by adding your own text, branding, or even images to the footer area. Whether you want to add page details, a company name, a logo, or a custom note, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To begin, open the document or file where you want to create the custom footer. Once you're inside the page, go to the top area of the document and double-click there to open the editing mode. This is usually the fastest way to access the header and footer settings. When the editing mode opens, you'll be able to make changes directly to the footer section. If you prefer using the menu, there's also another way to do it. Select Insert, then choose Footer, and then click Edit Footer. This will take you to the same footer editing area where you can start customizing the content. Using either method works, so you can choose whichever feels easier for you. Now that the footer editor is open, you can begin customizing it. This is where you can add your own text, such as a document title, company name, contact information, copyright notice, or any short message you want to appear at the bottom of the page. You can also add images if you want a more branded look, such as a logo or small icon. Keep the design clean and simple so it looks polished and easy to read. As you edit, make sure the footer matches the purpose of your document. For example, if it's a business document, you might want to include professional branding. If it's a personal document, you may only want a simple note or page number. The footer is a great place to add consistent information that appears across your pages without taking up space in the main content. Once you've added your text or images and you're happy with the layout, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the spacing, alignment, and overall appearance to make sure it looks the way you want. If needed, make small adjustments until the footer looks clean and professional. When everything looks good, you're done. Your custom footer has now been created and applied. This is a quick process, but it can make a big difference in how your document is presented. It helps you keep your files organized, branded, and more visually consistent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.